Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can make down arrow symbol in Microsoft Word. So let's go quick into the process. First is we need to open Microsoft Word. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and click on the best match. Click on the blank document. Now once you're in this window, look at the ribbon at the top and here you will find Insert tab and you will find symbol. Click on this drop down arrow and choose more symbols. And the symbol window will appear. You have here for the font. Click on this drop down arrow and you have to choose normal text. For the subset, click on this drop down arrow. And here we have to look for arrows. And here you can find the downward arrow or the down arrow. Now, obviously, you can simply click on the insert button to insert it into your text. But what if you're just going to create a shortcut for this so that whenever you want to insert a down arrow, you just need to simply use your shortcut. So click on the down arrow and here you'll find the option autocorrect. Replace text as you type. Okay, so we're going to replace it with the text or the shortcut that you want to replace it to the symbol. Okay, so let's type in here backslash down arrow. Make sure it's something that you can easily remember if you're going to create your own shortcut. Make sure it's something that you can easily remember. Okay, make sure it's a text that you can easily remember. Now once done, just need to simply click on add and then click on OK. And then let's close this and now let's try. Let's type backslash down arrow. Hit enter. And that's it. Let's try again. Backslash down arrow. Hit enter. Okay, so I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.